Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI A3, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from the SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is right over here. Once you open it up, tap on the three bars and go to the settings, where at the bottom you should see import option. When you select it, give it access to whatever it wants, and from there select that you want to import contacts from SIM card, so EU SIM. Tap on next and then to phone. Now there is possibility that if you're logged into Google, it will show that as one of the options. So you can select if you want to move it to your Google account instead of the phone, and choose that. But I'm gonna go with the phone anyway. So let's tap on next, and here you'll see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So all you need to do is simply select them like so. Now, once you select the contacts that you want, tap on OK, and this will import those contacts. And when you go back, you should see them right here. Now you can distinguish which ones are on the phone and which ones are on the SIM card based on that tiny little icon that is, for instance, you can see there are two Elon Musks. So one of them has this SIM icon with number 2, and then the other one has nothing apart from the letter. So the ones with that tiny little icon are the ones on the SIM card. So when you remove that one, then the contacts that have that icon will simply disappear. Now that being said, this is basically how you would copy your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.